Right, guys. So I think I'm gonna start the stream here. Today I am gonna be trying out different Linux distributions that you guys recommend. So let's get straight into this. Okay, so I have, because there's currently no one in the chat, I don't really have any recommendations currently, except I did get one in the comments section of one of my videos, so let's just quickly take a look at that. Okay, so which one was it? Last day of switching to Linux, and there was a comment that I got down here in the comment section, and it was Garuda Linux. That was it. So I'm gonna try that out. So I've got a couple things that I can try out. Gen 2 would be a bit more of a longer kind of thing. I was gonna dedicate an entire stream to that, but I might not. So we've also got Fedora, Garuda Linux, and also I was gonna go with is it OpenSUSE or OpenSUSE? So I've seen it done in different ways. Anyway, right. So we've got download OpenSUSE. I'm gonna say OpenSUSE. Download OpenSUSE's rolling release, and always run the latest packages. Regular release. Let's go with Tumbleweed. Well, these are big. What? Okay, just whichever one is smaller, I think I'll go with. Okay, so it seems to be this one. I'm probably not gonna be using OpenSUSE like main. I'll do like a switching to Linux kind of type video with that later, maybe. I might. That's not a definite kind of thing. I might try switching to OpenSUSE for 30, no, not 30 days. 10 days? For 10 days. Anyhow, so how about we download the DVD image and see how long it will take, like average. 32 minutes. I don't have 32 minutes. Let's get the network one. Okay, so that shouldn't take too long. It's going quite fast actually. So we've got OpenSUSE downloading currently. So I've also got Garuda and Fedora Workstation. So yeah. Also, I'm gonna try Pop! OS. That's not right. So let's try it. Oh, hiya, welcome back. I am trying out different Linux distributions. So guess what I've got on the list? I think I will try it, yeah. I'm just downloading a bunch of different ones. I'm gonna start with okay, yeah, actually I'll start with Garuda. So what shall we go with? KDE Ultimate Edition or KDE Lite. This probably won't be like the full kind of experience with it. It's likely gonna be in a VM, but if I like it a lot, I will install it onto the onto the main. So oh, give me a sec, guys. How does this sound? I just put some music on to yeah. I think I'll get the KDE Lite edition because I do actually need a small install. That's why I went with the net thing for OpenSUSE. I'm gonna say that. So let's get it from SourceForge, and download will start shortly. I'm also going to try Fedora, and I think later today I'll do a live stream where I'm installing Gentoo. That might have to be split into different parts though, so yeah. Yeah, I think it'll be fine as well. Your download will start. Problems? No. It's taking ages. Downloading from Bulgaria. Direct link, I think that'll... Yep, there it is. Okay, Garuda. Okay, alright, so it looks like it's gonna take... Oh, okay, if you're feeling really... Sorry, my nose is a bit blocked. If you're feeling really brave, we can try the Wayfire edition, which uses Wayland. Right, I don't know much with Wayland because I tried to start up GNOME with Wayland, but it just didn't seem to work. I don't have my hotkeys set. That was really, yeah. Well, I'll try it. I don't really know what's good about Wayland though, so you know. Anyway, I want to ask you guys what virtualization software should I use. I have two options that I'm gonna do right now. Should I use VirtualBox or GNOME boxes? So anyway, I get like 6 frames per second. Wow. Wayland Compositor. Okay, well, yeah, I was thinking GNOME boxes because it seems to have some cool features on it. So while that is downloading, I'm gonna minimize that and what are you guys' thoughts on the GNOME configuration I've got now? So I'm not sure about it. Anyway, boxes, GNOME boxes. Alright, create a new virtual machine. It's already detected Arch, and oh wow, okay, that is kind of cool. It already has some of these. I mean, they're all RHEL, but I mean they're all based on RHEL, whatever. That's interesting. I'm just so like in Assassin's Creed or Odyssey, I get 57 frames per second on KDE with X11 on Wayfire. I get 63. Oh, sounds interesting. So, what is so good about Garuda? What's great about it? Because I didn't really understand your comment that much. What do you mean by it's real Arch or something? Oh wow! Oh, that is cool. Okay, right. They actually have like all of them right here. That's cool. That's very cool, actually. Okay, let's go with Well, I've already downloaded the ISO image, so I'm just gonna go with the ISO file and try out. Oh, I don't know about the minimal edition, but I can. Yeah, tell me about the ultimate edition. Let's find out what's so great about it. has like everything a gamer needs. Does it have NVIDIA drivers? That's the first thing I need to ask. Oh, it'll automatically pre-configure. That's cool. Okay. Okay, it also uses BTRFS. Yeah, that's good. That's good. So it comes with NVIDIA drivers. Oh, okay. By default, it is selected to non-free. That's pretty cool, actually. Don't need, oh, but there's a but in there. Yep. Create. Guess that'll work. All right. So. It also creates system images before each update. What? So if something goes wrong with an update. Oh, okay. Okay. I kind of get you. Really important for an Arch system. Yeah. I'm not gonna. Arch-based systems are great, but they aren't as stable as Debian or Fedora or anything like that. So, you know. So that's just getting that set up. So, yeah. Okay, so we've got Garuda downloading. I need to ask you guys a question. Should I do... oh, that's what this... Okay. Cool. Should I do a Gen 2 installation in a virtual machine? Should I or should I not? It might take way too long, like more time than I actually have, so, you know. Definitely have to think. Wow, it's taken a while. Never tried Gen 2. I have asked for a laptop for Christmas. If I get one, I'm gonna install Gen 2 on it. Just to try it out. I'm going to use that laptop for just distro testing and stuff. I'm thinking of starting like a distro review series. That should be fun. What do you guys think? You'll need a very good CPU for this to be in within feasible time limits. I've got a Core i7. I don't know if that'll be good enough. But sometimes stream from a €250 laptop. Wow. Distro reviews are going to be awesome. Hopefully they will be. Oh, okay. What is even going on here now? Oh, I see. Okay, right. I getcha. GeForce Now. Got it. Right, so... Oh, well, at least now I know what that is called. For something that I'm not telling you guys about yet. Just, I need to tell you something interesting. It's not that interesting because you won't know much about it yet. But I am currently working on a project, and it involves Linux. I'm going to see if I can get it done. I have my notes in my pocket that I made at school. So, yeah. It should be kind of cool though. But it's currently very, very early in development. So, you know. Right, so we're just installing this, so... Oh, yeah, and some light games on the machine itself, like OCam. Okay, that sounds pretty cool. Sadly, Wi-Fi, or not Wi-Fi, network speeds at where I am, they're not they're not fast enough to do like any game streaming ever. So what am I wearing underneath this? Oh, it's got my school logo on it. I can't show that. Okay, got what you mean. I just said loads of stuff at once, so I don't know really which one. Right. This is going fairly well. This thing that I'm working on right now, it's probably a fairly large piece of software. I don't want it to be too heavy. Anyway, off that, I want to try some kind of software developing and stuff. So I'll have to learn some stuff about like how to write stuff, whatever, how to do coding stuff, because I don't know much about it. I know some stuff, but not that much. So yeah. How do I exit out this? Boom, boom. There we go. Why is it? Okay, I've been using GNOME for a while, but the real problem that I have with it, it's like, it works, yeah. And this, by the way, this takes too long, so I used a shell extension to speed it up a bit. And it works great, but it just gives me notifications about every single thing. It's very annoying. So, yeah, a bit of a problem there. I think you're gonna do great in the future because you seem to really like this from a young age. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Since I've started using it, I've become quite I don't know what the word is. I don't know how I would phrase this, but quite passionate about Linux and using it as an operating system. So also, it's kind of weird, yeah, because you did say about starting from a young age, and I guess that would be kind of cool. Might be useful one day because I'll know lots about it. Someday might even be a kernel. What's a kernel I don't know what that is. A kernel contributor? What? It's weird because half of my friends have not even heard of Linux. So, oh wow. Wow, okay. People who program the Linux kernel. Yeah, that sounds cool. That sounds very cool. Linux is just, I know all about the kernel and stuff. I don't know that much about it. I know it's very important, and I know some of what it does. Yeah, oh wait, actually, no. It's taking a while, isn't it? Yeah, it's just very weird. Because a lot of people my age that I talk to have either never heard of Linux or like they're like, oh, only losers use Linux, and I'm like, bro, stop. There's this one guy, and oh yeah, right. It's downloading the packages. I getcha. So, okay, I see. So, there's this one guy, and he does make some good content. It's mostly gaming, though, so I don't think... I'm not sure, to be honest, because I do some gaming content, but his content's really not similar to mine. So, I would usually recommend you subscribe to his channel, but it really depends on what kind of content you're into. But he does make some good gaming content, but he is always, like, kind of complaining and blames a lot of things on the fact that I'm using Linux, like the fact that that Steam, the fact that it's weird when we try to play Fall Guys together because Steam has trouble with it, or Steam has trouble with something and just often doesn't detect that he is online, and then he says it's my fault, and he's like, stupid Linux. And I'm like, oh, come on, man, it's not because of Linux, it's because of something else, I don't know. It's weird. Most people don't have an open mind. They just follow what they're taught in school and in home. I guess you're right. Fall Guys has anti-cheat henceforth. Yeah, I don't have problems with Fall Guys anti-cheat stuff. I don't know when they've... Oh wait, it's not playable. Oh no. Wait, I need to check this out actually. Is it not playable on... Oh no. Alright. I'm gonna hop into the game real quick. I need to check this, okay? Since yesterday. Oh no, please no, please no! No! Oh, this is not gonna be good. So, I'm guessing it... Well, obviously it hates Wine. Or Proton or anything like that. All anti-cheat software does, I guess. But... damn. Oh my god, no! No, it uses easy anti-cheat! No! 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 Oh, this is trash! I hate easy anti-cheat. It's so bad. No! Ah, Lord. Oh, come on. Let me just try and get into a game real quick. No, this is not good. No, okay, right. No! 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 This is... Oh my god! Oh my god, what does this even mean? You'll have to wait Like a year? Oh my god, this is just cringe. I don't play Fall Guys as much anymore, but I was gonna play it probably tomorrow, but that's annoying. You'll have to wait like a year for it to become playable. You don't have to say you're sorry. It's not your fault. It's bloody easy anti-cheat. I hate easy anti-cheat. It's so bad. They never. It's rubbish. So annoying. A Linux version. What, you mean of Fall Guys? Or easy anti-cheat? Is that already on Linux? I don't know. That is mega annoying, actually. Damn it. Oh, easy anti-cheat has a Linux. Okay, all right. So, Fall Guys. Well, I hope it releases a Linux version as well. Let's go into Steam and check what they got. Do they even have a macOS version? Because if it's not released on macOS, it's probably not going to be released on Linux. Because to be fair, Linux isn't as common as the other two. So let's check. I don't know. I actually spent money on this game because like I wanted the DLC. That's cringe. Still Windows only. Damn it. Oh my god. This is just so cringe. Oh well. Really low market share on the desktop. Well, yeah, that is true, but isn't market share about like making money or something? 'Cause I don't think Linux makes a lot of money from stuff because it's all free as in freedom software. Yeah, I know I can dual boot, and I think I still have a dual boot set. Yeah, I think I've got loads of different Linux things installed, and I also have the Windows one installed, but it's not because I'm using Windows. Yeah, it's because of things like this, you know, just in case it doesn't work. But you know, I've minimized its presence. Oh yeah, well, obviously Linux is the most popular. I just mean on a desktop computer. I know that it's Android is Linux. Anyway, just in case of things like this, I'll have to put up with Windows's rubbish. Now, I'm not saying I hate Windows. This is kind of a point that I want to get across. I don't hate Windows. I just know that Linux is better for so many reasons. Like the ones that I listed in the last day of the Linux challenge thing. I respect Windows. It's done very well. I just don't think it's that good anymore because I mean I used to love it, but I don't love it as much now. Kind of when I started to like not like Windows as much as Linux is when, well, actually there wasn't a set point actually, because as soon as I had installed my first Linux distribution, which was Ubuntu 20 Ubuntu 20.04. What problems do you have? I just couldn't get the drivers installed. It was too difficult. It just didn't. It wouldn't install them. I'd install it, then I'd reboot, and then it just wouldn't even apply anything. And like, I got the server settings, NVIDIA server settings installed, and it didn't even recognize it. It was like, drivers need to be installed or something like that. I know I need to switch to AMD to have a better Linux experience. I think that is probably the problem that I have had. I didn't select non-free drivers, but I didn't know that you had to, yeah? And then I tried to reinstall it with non-free drivers selected, and I just get a black screen when I do that. So what am I gonna do? I can't. It's weird because like the ones that have the NVIDIA drivers set up in a certain way. I mean, Manjaro with non-free drivers selected, I get a black screen. Pop! OS, the NVIDIA version, I get a black screen. So it's very weird. I don't know what the problem is. Might be with my motherboard because it's like a weird one. My GPU is NVIDIA. One sec. That's very non-specific. It's an NVIDIA RTX 2080. I think I'm just gonna check that. I'm trying out different terminals. Oh, it's right there. Wait, what happened to the images? I had an image. I know it's something to, yeah. I like that. This aperture science thing. Yeah, I got a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080, just the regular one. It's definitely something to do with my hardware. I don't know if I can check what motherboard I've got actually from NeoFetch, so I'm gonna quickly do that. So I don't think I can. No. So NVIDIA does kind of. I mean, they make some good products, but their software's trash. That's the problem. I mean, they've just literally AMD's doing very well, and then NVIDIA literally just drops. The 3000 series, it's just... Yeah, we had that. So, very annoying. But they make very high quality products, and the problem is with their software, and that's going to be the main downfall for them. Oh yeah, they are anti-open source, and that's so weird as well. I mean, their drivers are literally like... Did you see the 3080 reviews? No, I haven't. I'll do that after the stream. Or I might do it now while OpenSUSE's installing. So I don't get why they're anti-open source, because I don't think they're going to start charging money for their drivers. So what's the point? I feel like the only reason that the only like half viable, probably, yeah, the only reason for the only reason that I can see is for having things being closed source is that you are going to charge money for them. NVIDIA's not going to charge money for their drivers, so why make them closed source? Oh no. It's... Oh no. Oh no. That's not good. It's definitely faster, but I can... I need to check this out actually. The reviews. So it's not gonna. This is some hot tea. I can't believe I just said that. Some hot tea with Nvidia. They need to control their market. What does that even mean? I kind of agree with you, but I'm not entirely sure what you mean by that, so... Okay. Wait, is this... Oh no, it's The Verge. I'm not checking out The Verge for this. The Verge PC build. That's the only thing I can... That's the only thing that I see in my mind when when I hear The Verge, so I can't really take them seriously, because of the amount of thermal paste that they put on that bloody CPU. Means they need to license their drivers to anyone who wants to use them to make money. Right. Gamer Nexus. Is it this one, Gamers Nexus? Let's take it. Let's take a look. Oh, I better.
We're reviewing NVIDIA's RTX 3080 Founders Edition card today with all of our new testing methods that we showed in a video previously, including pressure analysis, acoustics.
I can already see this is the best because there's a
and all
cat.
that's in place. We also have separate upcoming videos with Schlieren and
cats like
photography
beast.
of how the cooler performs with regard to the air movement around it. But we can show a short clip of that here as a preview. More on that soon. These cards are so complex, especially thermally, that we're going to have a lot of follow-up pieces for this one.
I'm going to kind of skip through a little bit because I don't want to just be playing someone else's video, because then it won't have a very good outcome, possibly. So this looks like a bad thing, so let's take a look.
Below. And for key points that people kept bringing up over the last month or so, RAM capacity is one that everybody was worried about. Everyone was extremely concerned, it seemed like, in forums.
I wasn't paying that much attention to the kind of
how much video memory the
30, 80 kind of thing that they were doing.
Which is technically a reduction. But
so,
first of all, as a reminder,
I'm not very.
Memory was never really the limiting factor.
I wasn't really paying attention. I was doing other stuff.
GPU-Z or
so I'm not
whatever software
the most up to date with this. So.
DRAM and use, and jump to the conclusion that if you plug in a 12 gigabyte video card, 11 gigabyte 1080 Ti, and you go play Call of Duty, and it says it's using 10
wait,
gigabytes or 11
10 gigabytes. Wow. What? What? 10 gigabytes and Resident Evil 2 needs 16. That is trash. I'm not even watching the rest of it. That's all I need to know. All I need to know. No. I mean, I don't have 10 gigabytes in my card, but that's still quite annoying for like a next generation type thing, and they don't have like that much more. Just the textures asked for like 8 gigabytes on max settings. Wow. No one has okay, right, well. Resident Evil just went insane with oh, well, that makes a bit more sense, doesn't it? I feel like it would have been cool if they went with like 12 or 15 gigabytes. But you know, that might be asking a bit too much. Although that might have been their problem. People, well, they actually no. Whatever. Let's just get on with the thing. Why do I keep on getting OBS confused with GNOME boxes? Why? That's just mad. AMD will have 16. There we go. AMD is kind of cool. and I am gonna save up and buy an AMD card because I need to replace the Nvidia one, because I am switching. I have switched, but Nvidia is holding me back, kind of. It also, if it also has, I don't know why my mind went blank there. If it also has 30 AC performance, it will also destroy Nvidia. AMD is best value for money. Yeah, I have seen that their cards are a lot cheaper than like the Nvidia kind of equivalent. I don't know, AMD is kind of weird because like they take on companies that never really had many competitors, so it's kind of cool to see. I mean, you don't see a lot of Intel competitors other than AMD, and Nvidia doesn't have a lot either other than AMD, so it's a good strategy, and they do better prices too. I will let you know about the support on Linux, because it might take some time before they support it. Who do you mean? Do you mean AMD or Nvidia? Sell the 2080. Yeah, well, I might not be able to, because the prices that you can charge for a 2080 are not that good now. So yeah. I would probably sell it on eBay, but I can't really go for like a day without a graphics card while I'm waiting for AMD one to show up. Also, I don't really know how to put it into this very, very compact build. I'll just kind of show it to you guys. Here we go. Alright. There it is. Oh, Lord. Let's put that back. It's very, very small. It's kind of a problem sometimes. This is not in a very easy place to put it in. It's mid-tower, right? I'm not entirely sure what that means. I like to do stuff about PC building. I like to watch videos about it, but I don't know what a mid-tower is. If it's a mid-tower, you should be fine. Yeah, what's weird though, the motherboard is like sideways here, which is normal, but the graphics card is not like that. It's actually just like that. So the motherboard is here, the GPU is here, and I don't know how to do that. Let's check it out. But first I need to check out this. Oh, it's still going. Ugh. Okay, so what would you say is the AMD equivalent to an Nvidia 2080? Let's just search versus AMD. Wait, what? Why have I got it configured for Google Chrome? Did I not set all my settings right? I just noticed that I've done that. There's no... Oh. Okay, well it might be a bit of a downgrade then. Kind of, is that what you're saying? How do I change this again? I can't remember. Search engine is in search engine, so search engine. We are gonna use. Yeah, I'm gonna use OpenSUSE software search. No. Yep, that's the one. Make default, that's the one. Okay, so NVIDIA something versus AMD. There we go, back to dark mode and privacy. Just wait a month and get the new AMD card if you can afford it. Once you have it installed, sell it. Oh, I don't have enough money to do that. Like, I would have to sell the 2080 first. And like, my dad's not gonna like give me money to do it unless I have the money in the first place. So I don't have enough money to do that. So I would have to go a couple days without a GPU, which is kind of weird. So I don't know what I would do. Let's look at eBay and see what the 2080 is going for right now. So that's not it. Why did I go on that one? Okay. Oh, that's not bad actually. So 5700. I'm gonna take a look at a 5700 thingy. And wait a month and get a 700 XT. Let's check that out first. Oh, wrong one. So, okay, alright. Wait a month and get a 5700 XT. I'm just gonna compare the prices. Just, why am I on ebay.com? It's in US dollars. Ugh. .co.uk. There we are. Yeah, I'm not. Why did I go on that? Why does it take me to that one? Lowest price. Okay, right. EVGA. So are some of these RTX 2080s better than the others? Or are they all the same? Oh, sorry. So are some of these better than others? Or is it like, doesn't really matter? I don't know what kind of one I have. I think it's just an NVIDIA one. So, I mean, this is quite cheap. And this is cheaper than the NVIDIA. So, I could sell the NVIDIA card and get myself an AMD. Well, let's take a look at like the official AMD one. Different thermals and performance. Okay. AMD Radeon. No. No. That doesn't look right. No. No. Okay, it looks like it's this one. I think. Yeah. It definitely looks like it is that one. AMD Radeon RX 5700 XT 8GB GDDR6. Oh wait, I forgot. That has to be like PCIe or something. I need to check out what's in my PC, but I can't do that while I'm live. So yeah, I think it will have to be like a Oh, if you were in Greece, I'd sell you my... What? Why would you do that? Why would you sell the... So are you getting a new one? I don't know. Oh, okay, right. 5700 XT Nitro Plus. I don't know if are you getting a new AMD GPU? Okay, so I don't know if... Wait, how much is 150 euros? Okay, yeah, that's pretty cool. I bet that's a lucky friend. They're getting that for 135 quid. That's beast. Anyway, so I'm very confused by this. I don't know. Are these Sapphire ones good? I don't know much about AMD. I think I'll just go with like an official one. So why is there just so many Sapphire? Is that like an actual... what is Sapphire? I don't know. Oh, I forgot to put AMD at the beginning, that's why. Oh, mad. Okay. Sapphire is the best AMD AIB. Okay, so this Nitro Plus. Special education. Right. So, okay. PCIe. This is, wait, no, wait. Yeah, it needs to be PCIe, because that's how it's connected. So, let's take a look. AIB is the maker of GPUs other than the company making the chips. I getcha. Okay, this looks like it's PCIe. Okay. Alright. Well, add to basket, watch. I'll watch the item just so I can remember what it is. Oh, I need to sign in. Give me a second, guys. Alright. I need to verify my, I need to verify my humanity. Just one sec. Bridges. Oh, fair. Right. Okay. Watch this item. That's what I'm doing. And I might be able to sell that and yeah. God, that's taken 50 million years, honestly. Ugh. How big is the download for? Oh, it's already done. Okay, right. Maybe I should just... okay, it is downloading. Okay. I'll see you in a bit. It's a BRB, so... I gotcha. Create a virtual machine. Oh, it's gonna kind of pause this one, isn't it? Okay. Create a virtual machine. Alright. Garuda. Okay, so this just has loads of Linux distros. Now, still nothing. Okay, previous system image file, open, create. Oh wow, this does actually look kind of cool. So I'll be able to try this out in a bit. Alright. So then, right. While that's installing, let's take a look at Garuda. See if it's any good. Well, not yet. I actually have some more VMs to create. Or not. Alright. Oh, sorry. Oh, well, something's happening. I don't know what's... I don't know. It's going on. Yeah, well, I've gotten rid of Garuda, so let's make a new Garuda VM. Garuda.iso. Create. Okay, we're in. Okay, so this is looks like it's this bit at least is quite similar to Manjaro. So I like that it does by default sets the non-free drivers, so that's kind of cool. I might just go cycle. Alright, so let's boot it up, see what all the fuss is about. What is going on there? Why can't I change anything right now? Okay, so Garuda is booting up. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. I might just go psycho. Oh my god, was screensaver enabled? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my, has it died on me again? Okay, no it hasn't. Not bad, alright. So, is it using the beautiful X cursor breeze? Oh no, that's not right. Garuda. Bloody taking a while, isn't it? But it looks like it's using the beauty of X cursor breeze, the breeze theme. It's the breeze theme. You get me? It's a good theme, and I like it. Okay, that's doing quite well right now. Alright. Garuda's taken 50 million years, honestly. Not too sure. I might have done something wrong, actually. I'm gonna delete this. Wait till my G gets back. So in the meantime, oh, hang on. Wrong one. Wrong one. Wrong one. Wrong one. Boom. No, wait. Boom. There we go. I'm gonna set my hotkeys in the meantime. So, oh god, why is that doing that now? Okay, hotkeys. Start streaming. I don't usually set anything for that, so Alt R, apply Alt T to stop recording, pause recording, Alt Y, apply Alt U to unpause. Alright, scene, switch to scene, Alt 1, Alt numpad 1, Alt 2, and Alt 3. And these ones don't have any. 7, oh no, that's desktop audio. Damn, okay. Alt 7, Alt 8 to mute the mic. Okay. I hope I didn't end the stream by accident, that would be a bit orcs. Let's check that this works. Pretty good. But why? Why is it switching to this? Why is it switching to this scene? Why is it switching to the scene? That's pretty weird. Let's test out the scenes. Okay, so that's 1, that's 2, that's 3, and we are back to 1, 2, 3, 2. Alright, you ready, guys? Ooh. Where'd he go? Anyway, I'm sorry I had to put you guys through the nausea from that, so I'm not gonna do it again. Whew, this is taking 50 million years. It do be like that though. Hiya! While OpenSUSE is installing, I'm gonna try out Garuda. Let's see what we get. So, create. Alright, so, just a quick one. Should I select the, oh, no, why has it done that? I was gonna ask if I should select non-free drivers, or not. But I guess we'll just never know. Alright, anyway, yeah, okay, non-free. Okay. It's taking a very long while to do stuff though, so would it let me set the RAM? I kind of hope it did. How do I change how much RAM I've got allocated to this, because I hope it's enough. Oh, what have I done now? What? Okay, right, okay. It uses the Breeze theme. That's good. Garuda. I bet that's the password. Garuda. I already said a little bit of this, but oh, it's because of the 2 VMs. Okay, makes a bit more sense. Okay, right, so force shutdown. Taken 50 billion years, honestly. But it did download. Shall we, in the meantime? Hey? So, might be a bit problematic though, because it might take too long. Oh! Oh, we're getting somewhere. We are getting somewhere. Great. Great. Okay, right. Whew. Okay, I'm going to do a second live stream in a bit. Once I've tried out some more distributions, I'm going to do a second live stream where I'm doing Gen 2. Or maybe I should do it in this one, because it does count as trying out a distribution. So, yeah, I'm keeping it in this live stream, actually. Okay, so, let's see what all the fuss is about. Open Seuss. Seuss. I saw this video where this guy was calling it Open Seuss. And I was like, is that how you should say it? I'm not really too sure. Okay, so this uses the GNOME desktop. Not bad, okay. It's a fairly stable desktop, so I don't know. I'm not a fan of the I'm not a fan of the this thing. Why did I forget what it was called? The cursor. So let's check it out a little bit. Let's see what we've got going on. So we've got Firefox. What I know this uses different package manager, so I'm gonna add that to favorites, and I am gonna install just a couple things. So first of all, I am going to do a sudo. So what is the package manager? I have no idea what the package manager is. Let's take a look. Okay. How to install stuff on OpenSUSE. Menu results can. Okay, right, fine. I think it uses. Oh yeah, I know what package manager it uses. It uses one called Zypper. That's ZYPPER, I think. I think that's what it uses. I know that it doesn't use Yum though. I don't think so. Oh well. I just don't know how to install stuff with it because it might be like Pacman or EOKPG. I think that was the right one. It might be like Pacman where you have to. It's not just like this and then install. It might be -S or something like that. Okay, well, it's not just. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna wing it. Sudo zypper install, and let's install GNOME shell extension -to. Let's go with -to dock. I was gonna go with -to panel, but maybe not. Is that right? That is right. Right. That's not right. No. Okay, right, let's... so it is right, so I did do that right, so let's... I don't like using Firefox. Firefox is good. It is open source, but I am not very... My workflow isn't very good on Firefox, so let's test out how fast this is and how good the package manager is. So let's sudo zypper install Brave. Okay. Right. The naming of the packages is different in every... Chrome. Do they have Chrome? I doubt they don't have Chromium. They do have Chromium. Okay. Let's see how fast this package manager is. It looks like it uses RPM. So, maybe we can get DNF on here? I don't know. I think DNF is better, but I don't know. I don't use either of these. I don't use DNF or Zipper, but this does look a little bit slow, but I think it might be okay. Okay, how to dash to dock. Now I know it's a bit weird searching up download at the end of something, but I know that'll show me what commands I need to put in to I don't care to do stuff. So I don't know if DNF might not work. I'm pretty sure it uses the one that it was made for. But whatever. It's all cool. If it doesn't work, I can still use this, but this is taking quite a while, so I don't know if it's going to be too good. Anyhow. Right, so to make things, that was like so weird. I think there might have been a voice crack or something. To make things a bit easier, actually no, it doesn't matter. Dash to dock gnome shell extension. How do I install? I am not entirely sure. Search. Oh, okay, right. Search. I'm just gonna type that in, see if there's a search thingy. Okay, there is. Dash to dock. Did they even have it on here? I sure hope so. They do, yes. Okay, it's this one. That's not, no, I clicked on the image. Gnome, yeah, gnome, right, gnome. Extensions. To make things a bit easier, I think I might get the gnome integration Chrome extension. No, this is Firefox, okay, doesn't matter. I just installed Chromium, so I'm guessing that'll work with that, so. Oh yeah, I did copy the name. Gnome shell extension dash to dock. Anyway, let's open up Chromium, because that'll be a bit better, just a little bit. God, I actually, this is in like a Dwighter. I'm gonna open up this, and then I don't care. I agree. Right. Dash to dock. No. Gnome shell extension dash to dock. Dock for gnome shell. Yep. Right. So we should be able to get this. So gnome shell extension dash. Oh, I've been spelling extension wrong. The name on top. It's this one. That's what I am copying. Here we go. What? What? This is very weird. Sudo zipper. Wait, did I? Okay, no. Install GNOME tweaks I need to install that first. Do you know how to copy in the terminal? I know how to copy stuff in the terminal. Easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, so doesn't look like this is really being too great. Is there zipper search function? Let's check it out. Sudo zipper search. Wow, there's so many package managers. You know, I watched a DistroTube video, and it kind of made me think, why can't we just, like, I know it's been tried, but why can't we just, like, all settle on one kind of, either like one package manager or one type of file that it runs. I mean, it's been tried before, but he said in the video that it was Red Hat who did that. So obviously no one really listened, because I don't think everyone's gonna switch to RPM. So yeah. Best distro for me is Manjaro KDE. Yeah, it didn't work. Driver problems. I have this weird issue whenever I install something with. I mean, sometimes things work, like LMDE, that worked, and other things like that. Anyway, whenever I try to boot an ISO with non-free drivers, nothing happens. So I'll get like a black screen or something. For some reason, Arco worked. So yeah. Anyhow, super search GNOME extent. No, am I? Yeah, I am spelling that right. Dash to doc. It's an amazing project I installed on my main machine. It's brilliant, honestly. It seems okay from what I've seen so far, but the only thing I've seen is an SDDM login screen, I think, and it might be LightDM. I think it is LightDM actually. I don't know. Okay, right. Let's try sudo zipper install just plain dash to doc. Nothing. Right, this is so weird. Right. I think I'm just gonna have to go with the normal old GNOME desktop, unless I have the tweak tool. Okay, I do. There it is. Let's see what there already is. No way. No way. Okay, so. Okay, this is GNOME, but I can't do anything with the package manager, so it's not a very good GNOME. Perhaps you need to add the repo. Perhaps I do. Perhaps I do, actually. You know what, all of this isn't working, so what I might do is actually get the Chrome extension that is like, which like kind of integrates the website. GNOME integration. GNOME shell integration. Add to Chrome. add the extension. Turn on sync. No, that's not, no. No, I don't think I will. No. Okay, dash to dock. This will make things a bit easier because it's like kind of an. Oh, okay. It already has the connectors. So I'll just turn it on, install, and I think we just had it. Right. Okay. So dash to dock. Yep. Dash to dock is installed. Let's put it on the right. We've got it. Let's put it at the bottom, actually. Great. So, does it have an intelligent hide feature? Let's check it out. Intelligent auto hide. It's not being very intelligent, I'm not gonna lie, so I'm just gonna turn off auto hide for this. So we've got it working anyway. So there we go. We've got a nice dock right there. But another option is to also let's quickly do a bit of customization actually, because I hate the way this looks. And then I can see if it's good or not, you know. Let's just go to that. There we go. Right, so dash to panel is what I actually use. Yeah, I mean it's not very nice that I had to do that, but it has a better. Oh yeah, definitely. If someone was switching to OpenSUSE, like as their first distro, I don't think they'd even stick with it for more than. I don't think they'd try and stick with it for more than maybe a week, because the package manager, from what I've just seen firsthand, is not too good. Because they don't have, I mean, maybe it's not as good for me because they don't have all the stuff that Pac-Man does, but I don't think it's very good that I had to actually just go and do that. Not good. I'm not a fan of that. Tweaks. Let's move that down to here just to make things a little bit easier. It seems quite. Yeah, well, the package manager may be fine. I'm just having yeah. It's always a bad sign when there's limited like repos and stuff. I have seen lots of recommendations for people to like use open. Oh yeah, did Arch ever work for me? Not actual Arch, not like normal Arch, but Arco is working great, and I get to take full advantage of the fantasticness of Pac-Man. It's great. Alright, let's turn that off. Turn that on. Install. AUR. That's all you need to say. Just one word, AUR. Pac-Man is like in like a school, yeah. Pac-Man is like a model student. It's like the model that everyone should go by, because it's great. Panel size, let's turn this down. Very nice. And I hate this this awful looking icon pack, which doesn't even look like it has all of the icons, which is I'm getting really bad impressions from this. This is not going very well as a first impression kind of thing. I don't know, extensions. What do people even use this for? Like, I know why people use Gentoo, because it's great. Gentoo is quite good. You know, it's good for all its customization, and apparently portage is quite good. I get why people use Gentoo. I mean, I have never used Gentoo, but I've heard that it's great. I just have never heard anyone say, "Oh yeah, I love OpenSUSE, whatever it is." They always say it different. I love OpenSUSE, and I'm like, I've never heard anyone say that. So, you know, why does it exist? Why does this exist? It just seems like a... It kind of seems like if you wanted to... I'm trying to think of the distro that this is like similar to, but not as good as. But anyway, never seen someone suggest yet because it doesn't happen. I don't like this. It's kind of cool, but it's not. Not a lot of things are this weird, but I've just never. Maybe it's because I've just never really tried anything. I've never tried any kind of thing. Any kind of package manager other than DPKG or APT or Pac-Man. So I've never really tried any of the others. So might just be because of that. I've never tried any of these other package managers. I have used Portage a couple times. I tried a Gentoo installation ages ago. Didn't go too well. Because mostly I just couldn't be bothered to complete it. Yeah, it takes some getting used to for sure. Right. Anyway, I'll probably just install one last thing. No, that's not right. No, that's definitely not right. I don't know why that is in there. GNOME extend. There we go. Garuda also has the enormous chaotic AUR repo in it. Great. I can tell, just a little bit, that you're liking Garuda? I don't know, just a guess. Okay, you'll find most AUR packages on there already to be installed. Well, that means you're actually built up. Okay, anyway. What was I going to install? I can't even remember what I'm going to install. It's all over the place. All over the place. Oh, right. That's not going to be GNOME extensions. Although I am going to get caffeine. Caffeine is useful. Have caffeine on the main. Okay, right. I'll stop faffing about. So, let's see if it's on. Let's do a bit more testing of this though. Sudo zipper install Papyrus. icon theme. Oh, okay, it does actually have that. That's kind of good. It's kind of cool, actually. I'm surprised it has that. Also Ascles uses. Man, are you like sponsored by Garuda? Because you won't stop talking about it, man. I don't mind. It's kind of cool. People having a conversation, but are you sponsored? But I can tell you like it, so that's good for you. I don't know much about it, but hopefully we'll be able to try it today. So there you go. I've forgotten. I know it's going to be in 2 weeks. It's a bit annoying that you have to do this much stuff with GNOME to get it to look nice, but I don't know, it's the default kind of thing. It's not everyone's cup of tea, so yeah. But I'm liking GNOME because once you do get it set up nicely, it's just, it works nicely and it's stable most of all, and that's what I've been lacking recently. KDE is great, but with a lot of things just have so much trouble with my computer, they just stop being stable. So GNOME is stable. That's pretty good. So what was I gonna do? That's notes. Appearance, icons. Oh god, the GNOME icons. Oof. The GNOME icons are weird. Christ, man. I don't think it's these though. Alright, we're gonna go Papyrus Dark. There we go. Looks a lot better. Boom. I love the Papyrus icon theme. I'm definitely a fan. Cursor, do they have Breeze? They don't have Breeze. Let's install that. Sudo zip install. Xcursor Breeze. Okay, alright. Does it just have Breeze? It does have Breeze. I don't know if that's the right one that I'm installing. Okay, it looks like it is. So maybe it was just a one-off with the package manager, where it just doesn't have dash to dock. Maybe it was just a one-off. And I kind of hope it was, because there's a lot of stuff installed. A lot of stuff on this repository, so that looks kind of interesting to check it out. So once the Breeze cursor is installed, or just the entire Breeze pack, once that's installed, I think I will be alright with this. I'll use it for just a little bit. I will check it out. So, from what you guys have seen from me, or maybe from what you guys have already seen from using this this distro, what do you guys think of OpenSUSE? What are your thoughts? I want to know. I like to know what people are thinking about this. Yeah. keep on forgetting what I'm going to install, and I'm definitely going to install something, but I keep on forgetting what I'm going to install. Ugh. What was it? What was it? Impatience. That's the one. It'll speed up the animation speed, because I just hate how slow it is. I hate you hate Terminal. Terminal's cool. It's very useful. You didn't check out the package manager. There's GNOME software. I'm assuming GNOME software is on here. GNOME software. Software is on here. Geist software is also on here. Oh my god! It's just staring me in the face. Ugh. 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 I'm just gonna. No, thank you. No, mate. Not looking good. Okay, it is one of the worst distros I've ever tried. Well, okay. Okay, right. We've got this. We've got it looking okay. We're gonna have to work with it just for a sec. Although when I don't want to use it anymore, I can just get out of there. I do like what it does with the displays and automatically get it working, so kinda cool. Maybe write to the Manjaro devs. Maybe they will implement this stuff. Possibly. I might do that actually. Yeah, okay, sounds like a good idea. I think these are brilliant ideas. What are brilliant ideas? I think there's only one idea. I mean, there's lots of ideas, but which idea exactly do you mean? They have a friendly community. Yeah, that's true. What was I keep on forgetting what I'm installing. Darn! Oh, damn it. Okay. That was it. Got it. Okay. Impatience. So it's all the way down to 30. It's still so slow though. The problem I have with the GNOME applications thingy, it's too slow. You know? I think I'm gonna make this a bit bigger. Okay, no, that's too fast actually. What do I have it set to? What do I have this set to? Let's take a look. Alright. Okay, right. So you wrote to the Garuda forums in some that some programs didn't render correctly. Oh my god, you got flagged. Oh my god, flagged as spam. I mean, that's definitely a great first impression to the community. Sounds fantastic. Alright, well, anyway, I need to figure out what I've got this set to. Oh, I've got it set to 35. Okay. Oh my god! It's incredible! Dash to dock and dash to panel at the same time. Should we go with... Okay guys, what do you think looks better? This right here. So this is number 1. Or this. This is number 2. What do you guys prefer? Because I'll go with the one that's nicer to see. Impatience, that's what I have for the bloody GNOME applications. It's way too slow. Okay, right, so number 2, panel, same. For some reason it's difficult to click. I don't know what that's all about. Let's do so I'm using dash to panel, and now I'll use dash to dock. I'm not sure. Oh well, I think I'll just go with the one I already had. The only problem I have with dash to panel is it's so friggin' weird to customize. Hi Harry. Just written one word, 2. Yo. My main concern when I install a new Linux is how user-friendly it is, and Garuda does an amazing job on that front. That's why I like it so much. Okay. Install Manjaro, GNOME, and you have a layout switcher. I feel like this is going to turn into an argument soon, so that should be fun. Okay, well, anyway, let's put it to the left. Hooray. And I don't know if stuff is visible. Let's just make all of this invisible. Right box, gone. It is gone, yo. Show applications button. I'm going to move this all the way down below the taskbar and put it stacked to the bottom, so it looks a bit more. Next distro, Manjaro GNOME, please, and show us the awesome. Okay, alright, well, I've done enough customization of whatever this is, this mess. My quick review of OpenSUSE. It is good, it's okay, but not as good as Arch. So, goodbye. Let's shut that down. Force shutdown. Goodbye. I've got Garuda right here, just in case. So, should I do Manjaro first or Garuda first? Wait, no, I'm just gonna go with, well, let's get the Manjaro thing ready. Manjaro GNOME, that's what we've got. Oh, wait, no, it doesn't matter. I'll go with Garuda for a sec. Just to see whatever I prefer. Let's try the Garuda thing, and oh, great idea. Why didn't I think of that myself? Okay, so download Manjaro in the meantime. Why didn't I think of that? Okay. There it is. Why? That looks rubbish. Download minimal. Great, take me to download. Just wish they'd do it. Whoa. Weird. Okay. Wait, I'm pretty sure I already have a Manjaro KDE. Yeah, I already have a Manjaro KDE ISO. Wait, no, this isn't KDE. This is GNOME. Damn it. Ah, damn. Okay, right. Manjaro GNOME download. I'm sure this will be. I'm sure this will be great. Okay, right. Download minimal Manjaro GNOME. How far behind is this? I need to check. Okay, right. Sorry, I'm just checking what the delay is like on my thingamajig. Okay. On the live stream. Okay, that's downloading. Show all. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. Okay, so I hope it's included with the minimal, but it's gonna be interesting to see. Also, you might need to set up the repos in Garuda first. I haven't tried upgrading without doing that first, so I don't know how it'll work. Okay. Well, that's downloading, so let's check out Garuda. I hope it's good. Garuda. That's not even going in. Okay, Garuda. Okay, so Harry, I'm not surprised you're confused, because you're not like a Linux user. You always say, yeah, in class, you're always like, you're always like, you always say Linux in like a weird voice. You're like, Linux. Is it Linux? I'm gonna take your Linux from you. So weird. Anyway, this is hopefully not taking too long. I'm having a bit of a problem though, because it's taking 50 million years. Boom, yeah. Linux is bae. I'd be the kind of person to say Linux is based, not Linux is bae, but whatever. How long is it going to take for it to know that I'm trying to exit out of the thing? It's Garuda's taking ages. Let me check. Manjaro thing. Okay, right. I was going to check out Fedora first, actually, but then I remembered that Garuda is being recommended, so you know, may as well check it out. But it is actually telling me that telling me that it's not working because it's not working. Let's go with let's try free drivers. That was probably the problem. I think that was definitely the problem. I mean, something's happening now, so that's good. Fedora's decent. Fedora, I think it is decent. Yeah. I mean, something's happening, so that's good. Maybe it's a GPU thing again. Oh, please no. Could be a GPU thing again, actually. I just sure hope it's not, because that's cringe. there's some crisps over there. Let's go fetch them. Give me a sec. Something's up with the GPU. Yeah, I've got no idea what the hell is. I mean, whatever. What's wrong with the GPU? It's so weird. Go. Oh, something's actually happening. Great. The Arch version of the drivers has a problem with your machine, I think. Why do I have so many problems with my machine? I mean, it was like optimized for a Windows desktop, but I don't want to run Windows anymore. Give me a second. I'm gonna go. Oh, my hair is weird. I need a haircut, honestly. I'm gonna go get trimmed. Actually, no, I won't go get the crisps. Because my dad is here. Give me a sec. Unmuted. Hiya. Hope the crisps aren't too loud. Are they too loud? Sorry. ASMR is kind of gross. I'm sorry, this is not working. It's just not. Sorry, man. Let's do Manjaro. Oh, it's still downloading. Give me a second, Mundo. So, I'm sure I already know these, but what are what are you guys's? Yeah, I think I said that. What are you guys's favorite Linux distributions? Oh, it's not the download link. My internet is just really slow. Let me show you something. I think it might be faster, because today is a fast day. But, I'm going to show you my internet speed. Wait, I don't know if this. I think this one shows my IP or something. I need to check if it does. I don't know. I'll tell you guys what I'm getting. Actually, no, I'll just do the Google one. That might be a bit more. Right. Anyway, so We've got Manjaro KDE. Definitely does make sense. Manjaro KDE is pretty good. Garuda K, yeah, okay, it's Garuda KDE for sure. Once you have a look, once you're a little more experienced, once you're a little more experienced in Linux, I'll suggest a couple of the distros too. I have Manjaro, Alex, Qt. Okay, right, yeah, I know it. On my 250 euros laptop. Sometimes stream games on it. What is LXQT? I know what LXDE is. Oh, maybe that's not even a thing. LXDE. I know that one. LXQT. Doesn't really make much. Oh, I'm not asking for like what distro should I use. I'm asking for distros that you guys recommend, but I'm also asking for your favorite distribution. So I would say the distro that fits me the most is not the one that I'm using right now, which is kind of annoying. Because on the PC that is up at my mum's, it runs Arch Linux. And that's probably the best one I've tried so far, actually. I would say it's better than Arco, and it's better than all these other ones. I installed Arch on that computer, and it's never ran faster, to be honest. I've got Arch with XFCE installed, and fantastic. But what are your least favorite distributions? This should be fun. Why can't I see my downloads? I want to know which is the worst one. At least in your opinions. Alright, let's check this. Okay, so this is what I'm getting. It's rising, yeah. It's definitely improved since I got Ethernet. I know you guys can't see that. I'm guessing about 11. Oh my god, yeah. Ubuntu. I used it, and I loved it. I did love Ubuntu for a while. But then I stopped loving it. It's just, now I've tried other distributions. I didn't know how to try other stuff. Ubuntu, first of all, obviously didn't work with my computer because of something. Ubuntu is really, really weird, like the fact that they do take a little bit of your data is annoying because like Linux is like good for security and that. But I guess lots of things do, and they're not always selling it. But the most annoying thing is that I didn't actually learn this until today. They really, really, really push snaps. Like, I didn't know this, but I think they were doing it instead of like when you'd apt install something, they'd actually just do it with like a snap install. So that's weird, Why would you do that? Also, they force snaps, demand you to use the terminal. I don't mind about the terminal thing because I prefer the terminal. But I get what you're talking about, Don't like peppermint. What's peppermint? I don't know what that is. I was sitting on a pen for the past age. I didn't even realise. What is peppermint? I've got no idea what you guys are talking about. Right. Well, yeah. I know it's not good, but like, what's the kind of thing behind peppermint? What's its thing? What does it offer? I mean, if it's the worst, it probably offers nothing. Or something that isn't good. That's what I'm guessing. Solus is cool, but nothing is in the repos. Yeah, I was gonna try and like my stepmom said that she might try Linux for something, like she might try Linux for a little bit and didn't know what to use. I mean, I recommended her trying Linux. I didn't really know what to recommend exactly to her. So I spent quite a while thinking, what is the best one for my stepmom? And she's definitely not a Linux person. You know, she knows a lot of hotkeys for Windows, but not a lot past that for even Windows. So I'm thinking like Solus or Linux Mint. One of the two, something like that. So I had a look at Solus and I found out, I think it costs money. I think it costs some money. Or that might be Zorin OS. Or something like that. And why? Because nothing was in the repositories, you can't install anything. So yeah. And I was like, oh wait, Manjaro could be good. So I ended up saying, oh, well, we should install Manjaro to your laptop. We could dual boot, try something like that. Won't have a very big presence on the computer. And she was like, whoa, we're not installing anything to my computer. I'm like, how are you going to try it then? Because I'm not just oh my God. She literally said, we are not installing Linux on my computer, but I will try Linux. What? That doesn't make any sense. And I was like, well, how are you going to try it then? And she's like, I don't know. Problem with that, I really want to introduce her to Linux because it's great, you know? It's so likable. But she just doesn't trust me to install anything onto her computer. Like, she has to do it herself. But she, kind of thinks that I'm going to wreck her computer or something like that by installing an operating system. It's so weird. Just let her try it in a VM. I don't know if her computer can run a VM. Probably can, actually. But that might not be very good. Oh, wait, I didn't think of that, actually. I was thinking we could install it onto the computer. Yeah, she doesn't have a PC. She's got a laptop. Yeah? And she won't let me install Linux. That's the problem. Because she thinks it'll break the computer. Also, I would absolutely get told off so much if I just uninstalled Windows without her knowing. Probably couldn't even do that because she doesn't really go many places without her laptop. But, Anyway, let's try Manjaro Gnome. Manjaro Gnome. Gnome. No. I have lots of memory to spare, so I'm gonna give this 10 gigs. Done. No, that wasn't right. Yep, whatever. Create. Okay, so. Let's change the key table. That's not the right one. Okay, Boot Manjaro Gnome. Let's see what's so great about this. Because I don't know. I don't know, Chief. God, that face was like nightmares. So why are you recommending Manjaro Gnome again? Manjaro Gnome. Oh my god. This looks nothing like Gnome. What? This is so weird. What? Okay, I will try in that. No, not that. Not old man. Okay, so erase disk. Next. Let's go with something. Alright. Right, that's what I'm gonna go with. Alright. That's installing. Install. Hopefully, won't take too long. Let's do this. I'm confident that this is going to be very good. Hopefully. So why are you guys recommending Manjaro Gnome again? I don't get yo. Bro, literally looking trash. Maybe I should have gone with non-free. Possibly. It will install really fast. Oh yeah, that's something I love about Manjaro. It's very fast if you install it on a drive that works. It's a very fast install. I once installed Manjaro LXDE onto the computer that's up at my mum's before I uses Dash before I installed Arch onto it. I used that for like a tiny bit. I was like, no, I don't want to use this anymore. It's kind of, I want to go with Arch. Arch is cool. But I installed it and literally, you want to know how long it took? It took like not even 30 seconds, 20 seconds. I went down and got some water. When I got back up, it was done. That was mad. Also, that installation was insane. What? It's already done. Anyway, every program is in the AUR. Yeah, I like the AUR. AUR's great. So cool, you know. Easy to install programs on it. Easy drivers, installation, decent aesthetics, and the layout switcher. Why is this gonna take 2 minutes? No thanks. I'm just gonna force shutdown on there, baby. The fact that you can also enable Flatpak and Snap. Flatpak's good. Snap is kind of weird. Snap's good, I guess, but what have I done? Snap's awesome, but there's always other things, you know. Anyway, remove. Waluigi. Waluigi, man. Are we in or not? In or not? It's being weird. I think I might have removed the wrong thing. Oof. I'm gonna put that back where it was. It's going back. Take me back. Take me back. Take me back. Revert to the state. There we go. There we go, bro. How do I restart this? I can't remember how to do anything. Don't know how to use gnome boxes. I'm completely new to this. Is it gonna hurry up or not? Come on. Actually, so weird. Might have to reinstall it. Gnome boxes, so quirky. They're so quirky. Oh my god. Should I delete or should I force shutdown or something like that? Oh, I don't know what I'm doing, man. Something's up with Grub. That's likely. You know what I'm gonna do? What I was gonna do actually. And you wanna know what that is? A Gentoo installation. Yeah, this is gonna take a while. Actually, first I'll restart GNOME boxes just to check, last of all, if stuff's working. Manjaro GNOME. GNOME. Press escape to go to menu, whatever it was. This is me pressing the escape button. Yeah, not working. Oh well. Gentoo installation time. This should be fun. Virtual machine, create system image. I'm pretty sure I have Gentoo. Wait, no, this was on the LOD thing. Oh well. Gentoo. Alright, well first, Gentoo. I think that's why I never used GNOME boxes. Whoa, Manjaro, did you just call Manjaro a piece of trash, bruh? Bruh. That's cringe. I mean, I have reasons to use it. I'm just trying it out, okay? I'm trying it out. Oh yeah, it's already there. Okay, right. Create. I don't know where that's coming from, but at least it works. Okay, we are on... Okay, we are only no wait, UK. Okay, let's do a Gentoo install. Here we go. Let's see how far we can get with this. Probably not very far. Probably not even going to be that good. My bitrate is falling and it's back up again. Okay. And Gentoo is being as weird as it usually is. And for some reason, my cursor is also showing up here. But, oh yeah, Gentoo and virtual machines is not a, Gentoo and VMs is not a good combination, I'm not gonna lie there, because I hate them. I mean, it's just weird with them. Anyway, let's start off from the beginning. The very beginning. I've forgotten how to do this, that's the problem. So, let's get these. Boom. Okay, the Gentoo wiki is actually fantastic though. I'm not gonna lie though. It do be like that though. Oh, that's too sensitive. Okay, where is it? I have done part of this before, so should be good. Downloads, inside Gentoo, support, get involved, support. Gentoo wiki install guide. Okay, let's do this. Installation. Already got all this stuff. Alright. I don't think that's the right one. Alright. Yeah, okay, that's the handbook. Why can't I find it? I don't think this is the right one. AMD 64 handbook. Yeah, that, okay, we're on the right one now. Okay. Installing Gentoo. As you can see, I have already done some of this stuff. I don't know why it's showing up on here, but I have already done some of this stuff. So, yeah. Just a warning. So, installation media. Okay, so the way this works. Oh, okay. Bye. See you in the next one. I mean, I'm not going, but part of the abomination, that is the live stream chat, is leaving. So goodbye, mate. It's been nice. Didn't mean to make. Why does it do this? Why does it do this? Okay, so I don't know how many people are here to watch me install Gentoo. I think we've got, I think we have McMarius. Welcome. I know you've been here for a while, so I don't know why I'm saying welcome, but let's get this started. So
Throwing coals in the loo.
yeah, I know. Why has she been in there for so long?
Nicole?
Wait 1 sec, I need to.
Yeah, I know.
Wow. Let's carry on with this then. So what we gonna do is verify. I don't need to do that. No. Bangladesh. I don't need to do that. No, don't care. Let's do a reboot. Faster than my gun, yo. All the other kids with the pumps of case better run. Alright, well, we're gonna have to delete that again, which is very annoying. I think I'm just gonna have to use VirtualBox because GNOME Box is being very weird. So, no, that's not the right one. VBox virtual Oracle VM VirtualBox. That's the one. That's the ticket. No. Oh, you already have a Gen 2 installation. Interesting. Let's do a new one. I'm just gonna ask, is anyone actually watching right now? Because I don't want to just be talking to no one. So, you know, give the info. Okay, anyway, so I'm going to give this 10 gigs of RAM. And create that. And set that up to 50 gigabytes. Create. Okay, so this VM is called Gen 2 YouTube install. So, oh, 1 second. I'm back. Oh, I got no viewers, damn. Oh well. Fun while it lasted. You know? You know what? I think I'm actually going to end the live stream right here. So, thank you guys for watching. Hope you all have a fantastic day. And goodbye.